Hello, good morning everyone. Students, welcome back to Jamal Sir Mathematics, your favorite YouTube channel. Yes, students, आज हम क्या देखने वाले हैं? Today we'll see practice set 4.3 construction of triangle. Last practice set of your chapter number 4. ये आपका last practice set है, लेकिन ये सबसे important practice set है. So please, let's start with the construction. कंस्ट्रक्ट ट्राइंगल पी क्यू आर. क्या ड्रॉ करना है हमको? ट्राइंगल पी क्यू आर इन विच एंगल क्यू गिवन 70, एंगल आर इज गिवन 80 डिग्री. वन मोर इंफॉर्मेशन, पी क्यू प्लस क्यू आर प्लस पी आर इज गिवन 9.5 सेंटीमीटर. प्लीज स्टूडेंट्स, आई एम रिक्वेस्टिंग टू यू ऑल, प्लीज अगर आपको ये प्रैक्टिस सेट समझना है सो प्लीज आप मेरे प्रीवियस वीडियोस जो मैंने ड्रॉ किए हैं, जो मैंने आपको एक्सप्लेन किया प्रैक्टिस सेट 4.1 और प्रैक्टिस सेट 4.2 के, प्लीज वो सॉल्यूशन वो वीडियो जरूर देखें. उसके बाद आपको ये प्रैक्टिस सेट ज्यादा बेहतर समझेगी. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. ये हमारा फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है. सबसे पहले हम क्या लिखेंगे स्टूडेंट्स? फर्स्ट विल राइट गिवन. तो गिवन क्या है हमको? सो यू कैन सी गिवन इज ट्राइंगल पी क्यू आर. सो इन ट्राइंगल पी क्यू आर, in triangle PQR, first information angle Q, ये कितना दिया हमको? 70 डिग्री. Second information is given angle R, that is 80 degree. So angle R 80 degree. Next, third and the most important information, सबसे important information क्या है वो? PQ plus QR plus PR is equals to how much? 9.5 centimeter. So we'll mention this. अब आता है हमारा क्वेश्चन. इस क्वेश्चन में क्या करना है हमको? So we need to construct what? Construct करो एक triangle. So this is my main question. To construct, and what we need to construct? This triangle PQR, यही तो हमको कंस्ट्रक्ट करना है, राइट? स्टूडेंट्स, हम सबको पता है कंस्ट्रक्शन कहां से स्टार्ट होता है? एवरी कंस्ट्रक्शन स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम इट्स बेस. चेक करो, क्या यहां पर हमको बेस दिया है? वन एंगल इज गिवन Q, अनदर एंगल इज गिवन R, बट डू वी नो एनी बेस? क्या हमको कोई पर्टिकुलर बेस दिया है? नहीं, ये तो तीनों का एडिशन है, तो हमारे पास बेस तो है ही नहीं, राइट? सो इट मीन्स विदाउट बेस we cannot construct any triangle, right? हम बिना बेस के तो कोई ट्राइंगल ड्रॉ ही नहीं कर सकते हैं. So first I need to find what? Base for the triangle. So पहले हम बेस फाइंड करते हैं. क्या दिया हमको? एक एंगल, एंगल Q is given, right? So what I will take? Solution. I will take angle A, right? या एक बेस खुद से अज्यूम कर रहे हैं. So I am taking angle A. This angle is what? Related with angle Q. इसका angle Q से रिलेशन क्या हो जाएगा? So angle A will be half of angle Q. Clear? But we don't know A. Half as it is. क्या हमें angle Q की वैल्यू मालूम है? Yes, we know that is 70 degree. If I divide these two, how much I'll get? 2 ones are 2 threes are, right? 2 fives are. So the value of angle A is how much? 35 degree. Clear all? Okay students, but what do we know? Base will have 2 points, one is starting point and one is ending point. So my starting point is what? A. I need to take one more, my final point. Let's say my final point is B. If I am taking B, B का relation किससे होगा? B will be related to angle R. So what we'll write? B is half of angle R. Okay? So angle B we don't know. ये हमने आज लिख दिया. Half into what is angle R? Angle R की वैल्यू है हमारे पास? Yes, 80 degree. And now finally what we'll do? We'll divide. 2 ones are 2 fours are. This 0 as it is. So this way you got angle B is equals to how much? 40 degree. Clear, students? Why we got angle A and angle B? Since here base was not given, so we have assumed AB as base. Therefore angle A we found 35 degree and angle B we got now 40 degrees. Now let's start. First we'll start with what? We will start with the rough diagram. Now do we have any base? Earlier we did not have any base, लेकिन अब हमारे पास बेस है. कौन है वो बेस? AB. So AB की लेंथ क्या अज्यूम करेंगे हम लोग? We will take AB as 9.5 सेंटीमीटर, बिकॉज यही इंफॉर्मेशन दी हमको. मेजरमेंट सिर्फ 9.5 दिया है. So I will take 9.5. This is my base, right? And what is the starting point? Starting point I'll assume as A. What is my ending point? My last point I'll assume as B. A, B. What else we know? We know the angle A is what? 35. So from this point I will draw 35 degree. From point A we will take 35 degree measurement. Angle B is what? 40 degree. So from this B we will draw measurement of 40 degrees. Clear, everyone? Now look, both the angles, they are intersecting at one point, so that point we will take as point P. Okay, students? Now if you remember, look, AB is my first side. Do we know the measurement? Yes, measurement क्या दिया हमको? 9.5. एक और साइड है AP. क्या AP का मेजरमेंट है हमारे पास? नहीं. So what I'll do? जिस साइड का मेजरमेंट नहीं है उसको हम क्या करेंगे? परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्ट. So from point A I will select AP. So from point A I'll take more than half. One arc up, one down. From P, one up, one down. Right? And this will give me perpendicular. लेकिन यही एक और पॉइंट दे रहा हम लोग को, राइट? देखो एंगल A किसके इक्वल है, किसका हाफ है? एंगल A वाज हाफ ऑफ एंगल Q, तो A के पास कौन आ जाएगा? Q. तो दिस इज माय पॉइंट Q. समझा हम लोग को? लोग एक और साइड है हमारे पास PB. यस, इसकी भी मेजरमेंट नहीं है हमारे पास, नहीं है. सिंस वी डोंट हैव दिस मेजरमेंट, सो व्हाट आई विल डू, I will do the same. We will draw perpendicular bisector. So more than half, one arc up, one down, one up, one down. Right? So again, this will give me perpendicular, and again I will get one more point. So look, B is what? B is the half of angle R. So ये angle R का half है. So this will be my angle R. Clear all? This was point Q, and this now we got as point R. Now what we'll do? Now with the help of scale and pencil, we will match these 2 points, P and Q. So this way you will get your desired triangle PQR. Clear, everyone? What is this? This is my rough diagram. Clear all? This is what? This is my rough diagram. Now let us construct the real diagram. अब इस rough diagram को follow करेंगे हम लोग, और हम क्या draw करेंगे? हमारी real और original और fair diagram. Okay students? So let's start. What is your first step? Every construction starts from its base. So what is my base? My base is AB. So I'll take my pencil and scale. I'll take proper measurement. Right? Let's say this is my point A and this one is what? B. And the measurement is 9.5 centimeter. Clear all? This is my first base, A, B. Now what is my next step? Look, next step is what? Angle A is 35. So let us measure. I'll keep my protractor here at point A. This is my baseline. So from here I'll take 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 35 somewhere here. Now I'll remove my protector. Right? Now what we'll do? Now we have drawn this angle as 35 degree. Right, students? Now second is what? Look at here. Angle B. Angle B is how much? 40 degree. So from this point, again but with the help of protector, we will draw 40 degree. Clear everyone? So this is angle A, that is 35 degree. Angle B is what? 40 degree. So we got angle A and angle B. Now next, what we did, if you remember in my rough diagram, what I have done? AP. AP is the side whose value I don't know. Look at here. AB is my base. Both the angles are intersecting at one point. This point of contact we will call this as P. Right? Now I got one triangle. अब हमको triangle मिल गया. Triangle A, P, B. इस triangle में 3 साइड है. But I don't know the value of AP. इसकी वैल्यू है हमारे पास, इसका मेजरमेंट नहीं है. So what I'll do? Since I don't have this measurement, I will draw its perpendicular bisector. हम इसका perpendicular bisector draw करेंगे. From point A, more than half. One arc up, one down. Same distance from P. One up, one down. Right? अब इन दोनों को मैच कर देंगे. So this is my perpendicular. Clear, students? Now look. This was my A. But A was equal to 35. And A is what? A is half of Q. So here A, I will write this point as Q. Clear everyone? Have we got this point? Now next one. I have one more side. Look, PB. PB is my another side और इसका भी हमको measurement नहीं मालूम है. So what I'll do? We will again draw perpendicular bisector. हम क्या लेंगे? Rounder from point B, more than half, one arc up, one at down. From point P, one up, one down. Right? Now what I'll do? This is my perpendicular. Look, angle B is what? Half of angle R. तो ये कौन सा एंगल हो जाएगा? ये था हमारा B. So this becomes point R. Clear everyone? Now the final step. अब हमारा final step क्या होगा? हमको क्या ड्रॉ करना है? Construct triangle PQR. Where is PQR? P, Q, R. So बस हमको पॉइंट्स मैच कर देने हैं. स्केल और पेंसिल लेंगे हम लोग. We'll match PQ and PR. Now we got the desired triangle. Triangle PQR. ये हमको कंस्ट्रक्ट करना था. So this way we have constructed triangle PQR. समझा आप सभी को? I hope you all have enjoyed this solution and construction. Please, if you like it, then please subscribe my channel and share with your friends also. Thank you so much.